Earth Radio. And now here's human music.
Good morning everyone, welcome to another video, and today this is day 2 of our Paris adventures. And where are we right now?
We are in the Louvre, probably the most famous museum in the world, where you can find Mona Lisa and all other things, Egyptian stuff, stolen from the Egyptians and so on.
And you can also check out the queue behind me. This is the queue for people that did not reserve, right?
No, that one.
Oh, that's the queue for those that... This is the queue for those that have reserved a ticket. We tried to reserve today, but the only available slot is at 2 p.m. I was telling my dad that they should come in much earlier than that. So that's the queue for those without a reservation. Look at that, guys. So if you want to avoid this kind of queue, it's best to book your tickets early, like online, and you get a discount as well if you do that. And also, on the first Sunday of the month, the entrance to this museum is actually free. Actually, to everything in Paris is free, even Arc de Triomphe, etc. But on these kind of days, no, it's not free. But when it's free, you can see the queue, it extends all the way until that arch over there. So yeah.
And if you have a friend,
Hello. Hello. So yeah, book early and happy queuing. So how's the queue so far?
It's moving.
It's moving. Okay. We're gonna go now. After you're done, remember to meet up around here. We'll be around here. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Happy queuing. Alright guys, so while Daddy and Futong is busy with all the artwork and the sculptures in Musée de Louvre, I decided to bring Mama, who is a shopaholic, to Galeries Lafayette. But something that is quite surprising to us is that at the last floor, which is the terrace, I think it's 7th floor or something like that, you can get this kind of view. You can see that behind me. It's insane. Look at that. And you can see Eiffel Tower over there. Beautiful, guys. What a view. And entrance to this terrace is free. So yeah, make sure you guys head over to Galeries Lafayette. It's not just about the shopping. I mean, the shopping is good, but the highlight should be the terrace at the top with this amazing view. This hotter or Malaysia hotter?
here.
Here hotter. Yay! Futong and Daddy is done with Louvre. So how was it? A lot of people.
Oh, the Mona Lisa is really spectacular, no? Actually.
Yeah, but it's actually
better than what we think, you know.
But it's a replica.
But it's fantastic, oh. There is no painting that can compare to it. The eyes, it's really different.
Oh yeah,
Where were you guys?
Daddy's
So
amazing.
mesmerizing.
And then do you go to like multiple sections or just one
Of
section?
course. Go everywhere.
Went everywhere. Almost covered all.
Almost covered all? How is
Yeah.
it possible?
We just certain parts
we
was
choose
boring.
the significant
We
painting.
just walk through. Yeah.
What are the significant ones that people wrote about, and then we go and see. But Mona Lisa is another level.
It's another level.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, do you know what Mama did today just now?
Shopping the.
She went shopping. Okay, go that way. Galeries Lafayette. Then we went even to the Longchamp main store.
Oh, Longchamp.
Then did she buy?
Okay, later you'll see lah. She bought a lot of stuff, but Daddy prepared. Okay.
No problem.
So thank you. He comes to go on. No longer with the
So they actually have to remove all the locks here because it has become a safety hazard. the fences at one time was too heavy that the military was here deployed in order to stop people from attaching more locks and to lean on the fence because it was really dangerous. The fence is gonna fall. So they have now replaced it with this glass over here. Yeah, ingenious solution. And guys, I really like that confluence over there. That's Pont Neuf, I think.
Yep.
And it's I think one of the most beautiful sights of Paris. Beautiful, simply beautiful. And on that small little, I would consider it like an island, that's where Notre Dame is. Yeah, unfortunately, if you've missed the news, where were you? Notre Dame was on fire. Hopefully we still get to see most parts of the building because it was burned down quite badly. Oh yeah. Guys, it's just so sad. That's the Notre Dame Cathedral. And unfortunately they closed down the courtyard as well. So that was on fire like a few months ago, isn't it? Yeah. So sad. The spire fell and that's what's left of it. Yeah, hopefully they managed to fix it up again because this was so beautiful. Like the courtyard was so beautiful. Now it's just a construction site. Oh man.
The next day.
Good morning everyone, welcome to day 3. Yesterday we were a bit too tired, which is why we went back early and then we had good sleep. And today we're back here in, where are we now?
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower, okay. Check out what's behind me, guys. This is a much better view than the one we had yesterday, which is from the other side. So a trick is to go to the park that is opposite Eiffel Tower, because from Trocadero right now you have that cranes, which is quite distracting. So yeah, this is a much better view. Futong, are you up for the challenge today?
Yes.
Do you want to climb up to Eiffel Tower?
Yeah.
Because last time when I was here, I was broke, so I had to climb up the way to that level over there. Yeah, which is quite fun. So maybe that's what we're gonna do. So let's go. Right, so Daddy Mummy decided not to climb, so they're gonna sit there. Well, we are gonna climb to the top. Vamos! Alright guys, it's the start of the staircase. We're starting the climb right now. It's gonna be quite a number of steps. How many steps did they say that? 328 steps to the first floor. And then we'll go to the second floor. And it's getting a bit more expensive, I noticed. It's now €10, 10.20 actually, to get to the second floor with the stairs. And the elevator is about 19, so €9 more. So yeah, quite expensive. Hey, Futa! How was it? How was it?
It was slightly tiring.
This is what? This is which floor?
First floor.
First floor.
Yeah.
Alright, we made it! We made it! This is glass, guys. Look at that, I can see all the way down below. This is so scary, oh my god. Oh no, my goodness. And those kids over there are like jumping up and down on them. Okay, Futa, are you scared? Okay, don't do it if you're scared. Right guys, so that's the Sacré-Cœur over there, the one that we visited on the first day. If you missed that video, remember to click here. And that's the rest of the panorama, the scenery. So beautiful, guys. It is insane. Ta-da! Hey, Futa, you made it to second floor. How is it?
I feel my muscles are tightening.
So Amalia, is it
Yes.
worth 10 euros to get up here to the top?
Yeah, I think so.
Amalia approves. So Pudong, is first floor better or second floor better?
This one better because your view not obstructed.
Oh yeah, that's true. We made it! Right guys, so I know when you've been like walking around Paris for a long time in the morning, you'll be so tired and you just want to go back to your hotel and sleep. Well, that's the wrong thing to do, because at night Paris just lights up and it's a different city of its own. So I highly implore you guys, as soon as you get back to the hotel, do not rest, because you have to get ready to go out and see Paris at night. It's so beautiful. Just look at that, guys. There's Eiffel Tower and it's just so different than what it was this morning. And where we are now is at this bridge that is called Pont Alexandre III, and we're right next to it on the left hand side. And on the left hand side you get this iconic shot, which is the bridge with the background of the Eiffel Tower. It is simply spectacular, guys. So yeah, come here and try to get this shot, and then maybe head over to the other side, which is Champs-Élysées itself, and then you can get that famous picture of the Arc de Triomphe in the middle. So yeah.
How many is actually?
Thank you, madam. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. Bye-bye.
Merci.
Gonna try the biscuit, and then so tender, surprisingly. To be honest, yeah, I never really tried the proper one. So far, this is the best.
So good.
So after such a long day, we're back to square one, which is Champs de Mars, the park that is in front of the Eiffel Tower. That is the nicest place where you can get the awesome shot of you and Eiffel Tower. With that being said, it's time to say goodbye. It's the end of the video already, so yeah. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life, choose the adventure. Don't forget us!